Guys, this is Showbiz Buzz right here on IdeaShare TV. My name is Micheal, and as always, always, it's always a pleasure to serve you guys. It's always an honor to be with you guys here today and then serve you. If you just joined, don't worry, and you're late, and you're late. Forget about what Papa Kojo said. Are you late? No, are you late? You just came at the right time. So just grab your popcorn, your drink, or whatever. Tag them, your friends, share, like, send in your comments, your messages, your well wishes, your birthday wishes. Greetings, Nina. To comment box or maybe Nina Madame. Now let's head to our quick gist decks and see what's on the decks for us. Yes, let's go there right now and see what was on the decks for us. Well, first story on the desk is from Maccasio. Yes, those of you who don't know Maccasio, his pictures are on the screen. Yeah, his pictures are on the screen. So it be a new Maccasio, and Maccasio so you want or a new drink, a bar, and or a product, you know, or a musician, or a artist, or a talent. Say one. So that's Maccasio you see on your screen. Now Maccasio is saying that only Micheal Jackson can challenge him with fans. International production ever Ghana had artist and fan base was some artist our fan base kakaka kokoko bambala ono or your ono Maccasio. So this is what Maccasio is saying. Now, following the successful and historic concerts organized in the north and south, Sharif Abdul Majid, who is popularly known as King Maccasio, has declared that only the late American pop star Micheal Jackson could contest him when it comes to artists with the largest following. Now, according to King Maccasio, his lyrical dexterity coupled with unquantifiable love from the fans he has cultivated over the years obviously puts him above all artists. Now, a remarkable comment that resonated with the fans who chanted simultaneously his slogans and shouted his name in unison in obedience and in loyalty to the 69 movement as he performed at the King's concert at Bukom Arena. King Maccasio mounted the stage to perform at the King's concert at about 2:30 a.m. on Saturday, 5th February 2022, when all supporting artists, including Medical, also came on board. Now, the trailer was, however, the triumphant entry into the event ground that shook and took fans by surprise as the artist showed up in a white smoke and on a decorated white horse, holding the microphone and, as usual, spitting lyrical content to demonstrate his dexterity, temerity, and audacity in the rap genre of music. So artists are always there. What is your Sack Nation, Beam Nation, SM Movement, a Den Gang, One Gang, a Debe Movement, a free him con him, a free hakosi him fan. When in a bogos, when in a motonsium, also the honor to move for also be artist be no our big fan base today on no Maccasio because I want to organize the program or northern region because people will say that I want you are more popular in the northern belt, another on the northern belt, and also the northern region, the northern part of Ghana. I want popular, so come down south and then organize a program and let's see. So what about down south? What could become boxing arena? What could organize an event? Could turn out I am massive. And so the cockroach and say, just a Micheal Jackson. I know what large following that honor. Micheal Jackson. I don't know mess then the better says our large following and I say and you O2 arena yeah. You did Dragana musicians and artists who assume baby. Kohoi and our papa. Koho Na coffee lo ho no. Na ida to Ghana fusu ye na anim kaka. Say on the mama channel. Enjoy. If you have a large following like that, then move to that place. Go and perform there, and then let's see. My yamaso bokodo. Ewa eho.